Hey there! Searching for the perfect gift for a special girl in your life? Whether it's her birthday, a special occasion, or just because, I've got you covered. Here are some thoughtful, fun, and genuinely useful gift ideas that girls of all ages will love. Alright, let's jump in. First up, personalized gifts. Nothing beats a gift that feels one of a kind. Think custom name necklaces, personalized notebooks, or even a tote with her initials. It's meaningful, stylish, and always appreciated. Next, let's talk creative kits and hobbies. Encourage her creativity with art kits, DIY craft boxes, or even beginner calligraphy sets. These gifts keep her entertained and inspired. Now, who doesn't love cozy comforts? Fuzzy slippers, a soft throw blanket, or a robe paired with a cute candle make for the ultimate feel-good gift. Skincare and self-care are always a win. Gift a gentle skincare set, fun face masks, or a hair care bundle tailored to her style. It's thoughtful, age-appropriate, and super useful. Jewelry and accessories, anyone? Accessories are always a hit. Think dainty gold pieces, layered necklaces, or trendy hair clips and scrunchies. It's the kind of gift she'll use every day. For the book-loving girl, go with a bestseller in her age range, or a beautifully designed journal if she likes to write. It's screen-free and soul-filling. And finally, tech and fun gadgets. If she's into tech, try a pastel phone stand, LED fairy lights for her room, or mini Bluetooth speakers. Small gadgets, big smiles. Remember, the best gifts aren't always the most expensive. They're the most thoughtful. Choose something that fits her personality, and you're guaranteed to make her smile. For more helpful ideas, DIYs, and beautiful inspiration for every space and season, don't forget to subscribe to Insight. Let's make life simpler, one thoughtful detail at a time. Thanks for watching and happy gifting.